got a question for you. How much oxygen goes through your lungs every day? It's okay, you can yell it into your screen. Good guess. Well, I am here to tell you that it is about 1.5 of these babies every single day, without you even having to think about it. Isn't that bonker balls? But how do we do it? Well, that's the question we are going to be answering on this episode of Mindy's Laboratory of Biology. Today, we are going to learn how to breathe.
But Mindy, I already know how to breathe. I've been an expert breather since the day I was born.
Yes, Dennis, I bet you were. But today we are going to be learning about what happens behind the scenes when you breathe.
Oh, I love a behind-the-scenes exclusive.
I know, me too. For this experiment, we will be using 2 balloons, a plastic container, and a pair of scissors. First, we'll put the balloon through the bottom of the container and pull it through the top of the container. Next, we're going to stretch the top of the balloon around the opening of the container, and voila! We've got some lungs. And now, we're going to make a diaphragm. To make a diaphragm, we're going to take our balloon and cut it across about halfway down the middle, like this. Then we're going to wrap half of the balloon around the bottom of our container. And now it's time to breathe.
Okay.
No, Dennis, I mean it's time for the container to breathe.
Oh, right, I knew that.
Now, watch what happens to the lungs when I pull the diaphragm downward. Now the question is it magic or is it science?
Oh, I know. It's magic.
Wrong, Dennis. It's actually science. You see, every time we inhale, our diaphragm muscles contract or flatten, making some extra room in our chest cavity. And now that there's all this room in our chest, the diaphragm creates a vacuum that sucks up the air from our nose and our mouth and into our lungs. And when our diaphragm relaxes, it pushes that air back out of our lungs. And now you're ready to breathe, little buddy. Don't forget, you too can learn all about the amazing human body with this kit in your own laboratory of bad ideas at home. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go find this guy's fart whistle.